Why use Simpson Protocol as your go-to therapy process? Hi, this is Inez Simpson. Let me tell you a little about the process. Simpson Protocol uses deep state hypnosis to access those parts of us that excel in healing and transformation. Simpson Protocol allows your client and you to access what we call the superconscious. What is superconscious? It is something that we can connect to that can create lasting change, whatever the issue. That's right, whatever the issue. No matter what issue the client brings you, whether it's physical, mental, emotional, even spiritual, it can be resolved by connecting to this, let's call it wisdom, we call it superconscious. Simpson Protocol is inclusive, holistic I call it. It covers all aspects of the human condition and works in all aspects of the human condition. Simpson Protocol is effective and simple by design. The sessions are short and are designed to empower the client. Most issues are resolved within 1 or 2 sessions. As it's this wisdom we call superconscious, and the client's own mind that does all the work in the session. It allows practitioner to have an easy hands-off approach to any session and know the process will always offer the most optimum outcome for the client. A simple, highly effective process that creates outstanding outcome. We have Simpson Protocol trainings all around the world you can attend. I personally teach a small boutique class on a fairly regular basis, where I work with 4 to 6 people to teach them the complete process and every aspect of the process so they leave the class with a complete holistic approach to create positive change in their clients. Positive, lasting change.